Okay, on to problem number 23. An electron moving at 4 times 10 to the 3 meters per second in a 1.2 Tesla magnetic field experiences a magnetic force of 1.4 into 10 minus 16 newtons. What angle does the velocity of the electron make with the magnetic field? So there are two answers to this problem. Okay, let's figure out. Okay, so they give us the magnitude of the magnetic force as 1.4 times 10 minus 16 newtons. Okay, so let's say the velocity is like that, and there's the magnetic field, and so there's the angle between them, and we are being told that uh, there are two solutions, two possible angles. So theta can have two values. By the way, this is an electron and it's negatively charged. Okay, so let's see. The force is given by this equation, Q times V cross B. Okay, and we are given the magnitude of the force. So the magnitude of the force is equal to Q V B sine theta. Okay. All right, so the magnitude of the force, well, so we'll just say Q V B sine theta. All right, so sine theta is what we're solving for. Theta is what we're solving for, so let's solve for sine theta. Sine theta is F magnitude of Q, so the magnitude of the electron's charge, V times B. All right, the force is 1.4 into 10 minus 16 newtons. The magnitude of the electron's charge is 10 minus 19 newtons. Velocity is 4,000 meters. Oops, let me write it in scientific notation. 4 times 10 to the 3. And the magnetic field is 1.525 Tesla. Alright, let's take care of powers of 10. This is 10 minus 19 and 10. So we get 10 minus 3 left here, which is killed by that. Okay, so what we have is, okay, so sine theta is 1.4 divided by 1.6 into 4 into 1.25. Okay, and sine theta is a dimensionless quantity, so the newtons cancel. Oops. Oh, this is coulombs. This is not newtons. Okay. And so all those units combine to, well, all the units cancel. Okay, so this, and this, they should all cancel. All right, you guys can check that. So this is equal to sine theta is equal to 1.4 divided by, and this is equal to 0.175. Okay, so sine theta is that. Now you know that sine theta and sine 180 minus theta give you the same number, equal to sine theta. Okay, so the inverse, sine inverse of 0.175 is equal to, this function has two solutions, theta and 180 minus theta. Okay, so, and these values are So let's do sine inverse 0.175, and that's 10.1 degrees, and 180 minus that is 169.9 degrees. Okay, so what we are saying is if the electron is moving relative to the magnetic field at 169.9 degrees or at an angle of 10 degrees, the magnitude of the force on the electron would be the same. So that's what we found. All right, that takes care of this problem. So let's